lead me astray. Got you in my system, yeah, I've been waiting. Show me to your kingdom.
Hi guys, it's me, and today I made an impulsive decision to cut myself some bangs. I don't know, I've been really wanting it lately, and today I just decided just to go for it, I guess. Really just want to do like those like wispy see-through bangs because I think those look a lot better than like side bangs or like full-on bangs. I don't know. So I think first off I'm going to part my hair in the middle because usually, as you guys can see, I have my part on this side, and as you guys can see I already have like a bunch of baby hair. So okay, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, I need something to part my hair with. I'm gonna use this baby chopstick. Okay, I'm gonna do like a small section, I think. Oh, that doesn't look right. Oh my god. This looks enough, right? Why does my shoulder keep cracking? I'm gonna start off with this much, I think. Okay, I just parted the section, and then I think I'm gonna do like this much first, and if I want more then I will add more. I'm really dumb or whatever. All I have are these baby scissors that I use for my eyebrows, so that's what I'm gonna use to cut my hair. I'm so scared. Oh my god, what if it look really bad? Okay, I know like it will jump back up if you pull it, so I'm gonna cut at my nose first. So oh my god, where can I cut that? Am I dumb? I'm selling my hair for $50. Hit me up on eBay or Depop or whatever. Okay, I want it to be like a little bit below my eyebrows. That was actually so bad. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Ew, why is my hair sticking straight out? That's so ugly. Okay, this looks so bad. This looks so bad right now. This looks so bad right now. Okay. And now I'm gonna do that little thing where they snip vertically, I guess. I don't know what this does. This looks so bad right now. Actually, I'm gonna heat up my curling iron so I can straighten out and style this. Okay, I'm heating it up right now. Also, I really want those like face framing fringe, so I'm gonna get like a tiny piece out. And now I'm gonna trim them. Maybe I want it around here. I think I'm gonna cut it at an angle. I think that makes more sense if I do, I guess. Do this shape. Okay, they're even. Ooh, okay, this scares me. I don't have a straightener, which is why I'm using this. Then while it's still hot, I'm gonna just hold it down so it's not that round, I guess. I don't know. I look so Asian. I have bangs now, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me probably failing at cutting bangs. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more from me, or if you like me enough. I don't know, this looks kind of weird to me. I look so Asian. Okay, bye guys.
Now I know what it feels like. You took me from the other side. You're just what I was looking for. Still be yours when we're on the shore. Stars so bright, live in your eyes.